Namaste. This is Sunili welcoming you all to Planet to Soul Astrology. So, friends, today we will be talking about Venus in Libra. Many of you will be having Venus in Libra sign either in your birth chart or Rashi chart, or it will be in your Naumansh Kundali. These both charts, whenever Libra Venus is posited, then it makes person very balanced personality. At the same time, these people are bound to get all type of material benefits. Only thing, whether they will be able to enjoy it or no, totally depends on the Shani, that is Saturn posited in their horoscope. Now talking more about Venus in the sign of Libra. If it is in a female chart, this is very good because the all feminine qualities of a female, like beauty, balance, or very sharp characteristic, sweet characteristic, sweet the tongue, or sharp features, beautiful looks. The color doesn't matter. Attractive, good personality, pleasant personality. For males also same thing. All the same things we can see in male also. This Venus will definitely enhance their male properties, like pleasant personality. They may have, both male and female have dimples in cheek. Second thing, they are very balanced personality, do not take any decision harshly, immediately, or panically without thinking. And as I said, if Saturn is also good in a horoscope, then it acts like a golden Venus for you. Now, you know, in a zodiac chakra, zodiac round, the Tula Rashi comes in middle, Venus sign, or Libra sign comes in middle. That is why balancing it is its major feature and factor. This is the best quality of Libra Venus people we see. Whether they have money or no, or what is their condition, here we are not at all discussing that. Okay. Whenever there is a Venus in 1, 4, 7, 10, that is in your center houses or in ascendant house or trine houses, then definitely it creates Malavya Yoga. That means one of the Panch Mahapurush Yoga is created by this Venus. Specifically, these people get all type of material benefits, prosperity and wealth. Even though they themselves are not earning, but by default they are able to enjoy. Even though they do not have money, but they have such a circle that they get everything in their life. This is because of their balanced personality. They are wanted everywhere. Correct? Now, second thing, from 6 degree to 40 minutes, Swati Nakshatra comes in Tula Rashi. That is, the Venus of Swati Nakshatra gives all type of creativity, artistic quality to the native. So person is bound to go in a creative line, artistic line, and very good fruits. Then in that also, up till 3 degree 20 minutes also, it is called as a Vargottama Venus. Okay, Vargottama Venus means in Naumansh also this Venus will go in Tula Rashi only. That means this Venus will enhance and expand its prosperity giving attitude, nature and signification, which will make person more indulged into creativity, into balancing personality and into advisory mode. Like they may work into advisory team, communication, consultation, or in major character they are presenting themselves. In home also, they become the major person of a family. Now, specifically, up till after that, after 6 degree 40 kala, if we see, it's like, it gives more of person mostly drive towards enjoyment, lust, or always outing or something, or after money, or just spending lot of money, all this type, or attraction, physical attractions, or going into multiple relationship or falling into relationship and not getting success in that is also indicated. But up till 20 degree, if this Swati Nakshatra Rahu will definitely, any degree it could be, it will definitely give you good fruit in your horoscope. Also at foreign land also, or in international level, it will give you good, good earning also, and it will make you at comfort level. But at the same time, it is something like it is also making you always starving towards relationship bliss, because Venus in the Tula Rashi, by default it is 7 number sign, will always make you think that why I am lacking in marital bliss. So this is the major thing you have to keep in mind. Second thing, when I see that from 16 degree up till 20 degree in a Tula Rashi, that is in the sign of Libra, Venus goes in exalted Navmansh. That means it goes in Pisces, 6th Navmansha. Okay, because first Navmansh of any airy sign starts from Libra sign. So it becomes exalted. So it will again make you more prominent towards getting all type of fruits, material, physical, relationship. But again, it matters a lot where this Pisces sign is posited in your Navmansh Kundali. After that, from 20 to 30 degree, that is last degrees, this Venus goes in Vishakha, that is Jupiter Nakshatra. And then 2640, I think, up till 2640 it goes in Vishakha Nakshatra, and again it will give fruit like own sign Navmansha. Like it goes in Taurus sign after that. So again, person is negotiative, maybe having quality of divide and rule. This is what minutely you have to understand and study the degree of each planet. Many will say, I have Venus in Libra, but if in Navmansha it is going in Sagittarius, then definitely because of Sagittarius, the major fruit of Venus may be lacking in you. So always you have to keep that in mind. If it is going in Scorpio sign, then it is making you more attracted, or it is making you more, more attentive towards physical pleasures, or it is making you more attentive towards keeping everything hidden inside you and all of a sudden becoming a blast. This is also what Venus gives us. But overall, when we see Libra Venus, such type of fruits are definitely seen. The females or males of this Libra Venus are very fond of flowers. They are very fond of decorating their houses. They are very fond of keeping their houses neat and clean. They do not like anything missing from its own place. That is what the major quality they have in them. So friends, if you have Venus in the sign of Libra, just see whether you are having all such qualities or no. Other than that, then as I talked about nakshatra also, then you also have to see that where this Rahu is posited in your horoscope, and then this Libra Venus and that Rahu, how they are connected to each other. Shukra Rahu, one of the fantastic position for creativity, art line, or having inbuilt talent, any talent that could be in art, creativity, uh, management, talking, or whatever they speak. That becomes, sometimes that becomes a proverb also. So many things we see. So this was all about Venus in the sign of Libra. Next time I'll come with another fresh topic. By that time, stay tuned with Planet to Soul Astrology, and as I always say, Sabka Mangal Ho. May all be blessed. Namaste.